Hello ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to be studying the Hayden M6 primary chain tensioner on a 2011 Harley Road King. And drain the fluid here. Let it drain. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and remove the old tensioner out. Not much wear on this one, but what fails is the ratcheting system and tightens up the chain too much, causing damage. So the Hayden belt tensioner comes with two springs, inner and outer, and two adjustment shims that they fit. It's a tight fit, but they will fit like this. Just gotta work it in there all the way down. After you're done with the measurement, you'll know if you gotta add. So you got this round part here and this round part on the shoe. Put it in there like so, and there. You use a zip tie to make it easier on you to put it on. And when you go back in and you torque it down, you torque it without any spring pressure on the chain. Depending on your application, your old tensioner may have some shims here. Make sure you remove them. These ones are already removed, I assume, because they had the Screaming Eagle upgrade on the compensator. Don't forget to put some Loctite on these. Torque them to 21 to 24 foot-pounds or per your required specs. So I was able to tighten up to spec the new tensioner, cutting off this zip tie. Now we're going to measure from the bottom to the top of the plate to the bottom of the tensioner here. We're looking for 3/8. Okay, I'll measure this. It's measuring slightly below 3/8, not even 1/16 of an inch. When you first run this, it will whine because the chain is going to be cutting into the shoe until it settles down. That will add, I think, 1/16 to 1/18 to the slack on the chain, so it will bring it into at least 3/8 for sure. Okay, the installation is in reverse. Make sure you put the proper fluid, torque everything to specs. I'm going to go ahead and put this together. Be right back. Just going to snap these down. Already started it by hand. I'm going to add some Lucas gear oil to the proper fill level. Okay, she's full with fluid. Everything's torqued down to specs. Take her out on a test drive. The first 500,000 miles, you may hear a whine. That's basically the chain cutting into the new shoe. And should be good to go for another 5,000 miles before, I recheck, see where's everything at. So once the chain cuts into the shoe, it's going to add about 1/8 into that measurement. So if you got 3/8, you just add 1/8 and you end up with 4/8 after the chain cuts in. And that's basically it on this. Don't forget to use your Loctite and torque everything to specs per your bike. All right, thank you for watching. And by the way, the motorcycle stand, dolly, I bought it from Home Depot. It was about $110, $115 free shipping. I did not see myself spending $700 for a dolly. Worked just as good. It's got the steel wheels, easy to put together. Okay, thank you. So I put some miles on the bike last night, and there's not a loud whine like some people had said, or you really have to look for it, and I didn't hear much of it. Like I said, you really have to pay attention. To me, it seems like it's easier to shift now with the Hayden tensioner, and I'll check it again, 5, 10,000 miles from now and see how it's doing. But other than that, I'm happy with it. Thank you for watching.